Okay, Unit 6 star review for the benchmark next week. I'm going to go through this kind of fast because we just had a test over Unit 6, so this should be pretty fresh. Just remember, nonlinear is if it has a pattern but not one straight line. So if number 1 says which one is nonlinear, basically which one can you not draw one straight line through. Number 2 asks for a linear, so that would be one straight line through those points. Scatter plot number. Okay, so a lot of times you don't need the information up here. So let's focus on the question down here. Based on the scatter plot, what is the best prediction of the average number of hours? So that's what we don't know. A person spends at work every week if that person spends an average of 10 hours on, oh, just kidding. I put my question mark there too soon. Psych. Okay. 10 hours on recreational activities each week. So the number of hours a person spends at work, that's what we don't know. Put my question mark in the wrong spot too soon. 10 hours of recreational activity. So that would be right here. So if these dots kept going, if the pattern remained, we want to see where that would fall at 10. So I'm going to use all of these answer choices they gave me and plot points to see which one would make the most sense, which would match up at 10 basically. So A says 33. So 33 on work would be like right here-ish. So we want that to meet up with 10. Okay, so that's way off. So already I want to go ahead and mark that off. B says 85. 85 would be halfway between 80 and 90, but so let's make it up there at the 10. Maybe, but that's kind of far out there. I don't know that that's going to work. 50, let's see where 50 is, right here, and then up at 10.
Good morning,
oh
China Springs Middle School. It is a Friday morning.
65.
Please rise for the pledge.
Halfway between 60 and 70 at 10. Oh my gosh, I got like a hole. Okay, so 65 to me looks like the one that would be the most, if this line kept going, if we were going to draw a line through it, that would be the closest. Same thing on this one, on number 4. We want to just look at the question about how much money would a group of 10 people be expected to spend. So here's 10 people. How much would they spend? Mark your points. 135 would be, I don't know, somewhere right here.
All right, students, it's been an awesome Friday here.
Okay, number 6, which function is best represented by the graph? This is just asking you for the slope-intercept form. So y equals mx plus b. So first of all, I would find the y-intercept, that b, which would be right here. That's where it crosses our y-axis. So already we can eliminate this guy and this guy. So from here, I would use that point, which is 0, 3, and then one more, and it's really hard to see on mine, so maybe on your computer you can see it easier. think this is a point. So we'll use 6, 0 and use that slope formula. X1, Y1, X2, Y2, and plug it in, okay? That'll give you your slope, so it's either -2 or -1/2. Number 7, which equation best represents C? The number of dollars Mr. Leonard should be charged for driving M miles. Really, the only thing you need to do on this is find your slope. So it doesn't really matter which ones you pick. You can pick the two smallest. You've got, say, X1, Y1, X2, Y2. And once you get your slope, you should be able to get your answer. I'll just say that. 31 minus 30 point, oh, hello, minus 30.50 over 10 minus 5. Once you get that answer, you should be able to get your full equation. Number 8, Frankie bought a new computer. He made an initial payment of $50 and he'll pay $30 each, there's a keyword, month until the computer is paid off. So which of those equations matches? Which of those two numbers should have a variable? And if it's saying T the total, what does that mean? Total means adding together. Okay, look at this. Look at the scatter plot. First of all, is there a relationship? And then look at these answer choices. See if any of these make sense. If there's no relationship, which is linear, which is one straight line. Where would the score be with a student of 6 absences? So let's see, 5. I think 6 would be about right here, we'll say. So let's plot those. All right, number 12 is another slope-intercept form problem. So we need to find our M and we need to find our B. B is the easiest thing to find. You just look at where it crosses the y-axis. So if the B is -6, then I can get rid of A and I can get rid of D. So I would use this point that they gave you. So that was, what, 0, -6 for the y-axis. And then one more point. Kind of hard to see, but I think maybe this one. So 2 and 1. Hi, nope, what? 2 and 0. Didn't go up anywhere. Okay, so x1, y1, x2, y2. So it's either -3 or +3. Again, a slope-intercept form, and they give you the points on this one, so that really helps. And they give you the y-intercept very easily. It's between -1 and -2. So could it be -6 at all? No. So use your slope formula. Okay. Ignore all of this. How many stamps was Carolyn given, and how many stamps will she buy every month? It doesn't seem like it, but this is actually just a slope. And it doesn't give it to you in this format. But the stamps every month is M. And the was given stamps is the y-intercept. So really all you have to do, I would use these. And we can label it. I would say this is x1, x2, y1, y2. And I would subtract, and whenever you get your slope, that's what is going to be one of these. And then to get your y-intercept, you would be going backwards 1 time to get to 0. So whatever you get as your slope, just subtract it from 250. Okay, 15. 15 is a scatter plot also. And don't worry about the top part, just look at the question. What is the best prediction of the speed of sound, which is over here, so we don't know, when the air temperature is 50? 50 is right here. Okay, so we're gonna plot the points, and I'll plot the points, and then you just figure out which one would go along this line if these points were to keep going.